Hi, this is ASUS ROG Phone 7 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to the Themes and Wallpaper section. Tap to Wallpaper and Style, click to change wallpaper, and here we could use photo from our device gallery or one from the default wallpapers, or tap to get more to use the online wallpapers. So we should switch home screen to the lock screen. Just tap to apply, and after that let's just lock the device, and we could see that we just successfully changed it. Also, we could make it by another way. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and by the same way tap to change wallpaper, select only the lock screen. Now just let's use one from the available wallpapers, or just we could use photo from our device gallery or download it from the internet. Okay, let's use the online wallpaper, but to use the online wallpapers be sure that you're connected to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. So let's select one from these available wallpapers, tap to download, wait a couple of seconds, tap to apply, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.